We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
In this video, we will discuss about push or pull tool in SketchUp. The push tool is used to extrude the flat faces into 3D shapes. You can access push or pull tool under Edit toolbar. If Edit toolbar is not showing in your window, please turn on this option in Toolbar menu under View tab. Click on Push or Pull tool. It works by clicking on a face you want to push or pull. Move your cursor until your requirement meets. You can see the face is extruded towards the cursor direction. Click once your required extrusion length is fulfilled, or you can type the extrusion length. You can make holes using push or pull tool. For that, please follow the procedure as showing on the screen. By pressing Ctrl key at the time of push or pull, we get a new extrusion on the selected face. Otherwise, the same face is extruded. Thanks for watching this video.